Hi viewers, thank you so much for joining us for this wonderful time once again. God bless you for being part of this journey. However, if you are joining us for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. We're also on YouTube, Facebook and Instagram. Kindly follow us for more tutorials. Alright, we shall solve a simple problem here that reads x squared minus 5x plus 6. X squared minus 5x plus 6. This is quadratic problem, and we need to make sure that we employ all quadratic principles to be able to resolve this problem amicably. Alright, if you are following this channel, you would realize that we had already solved many problems under quadratics, especially problems like this. And I've explained in many ways how and where you'll be able to employ some of the principles in dealing with questions like this. Actually, these questions came from one of our comment section, and somebody actually called that he has been struggling with this kind of problem, so he actually needs more support, and for us to put our heads together to be able to help the person to get to understand better and what to do when it comes to problems like this. And when I stated earlier, I stated clearly that when we have a problem like this, all you need to do is to use factoring methods, and it is going to be very easy for you. For you to use the factoring method, you got to multiply coefficient of x squared and then c. Okay, when I say c, what I mean is that I'm coming from this ax squared plus bx plus c. That is a quadratic function or quadratic equation here. So when you get this, you multiply a by c, you're going to get the product. Now find factors of that product, then pick two of those factors. When you add them, you're going to get b. When you multiply them, you're going to get c. That's all. Then you factor them, you substitute them inside the value of b, and then you factorize. Shall we do that quickly together? Alright, so we have solution here. So we have x squared minus 5x plus 6. Okay, so the coefficient of x squared here is 1, right? So 1 by 6 is going to be 6. Factor of 6, we have 1, 2, 3, and maybe 6 by itself. Okay, now, so look at 1, 2, 3, and 6. We can take 2 and 3 for the purpose or for the sake of this question. So 2 and 3, we can use it to be able to factorize this simple problem. Alright, so we multiply 2 and 3, you're going to get 6. When you add them, you're only going to get 5. Why? It's because something is missing. If you want to add and get -5, you have to rather negate them, -2, -3. So that when we multiply them, you still get 6. Okay? And when we add them, you get what? -5. Alright. I hope it is well understood. Let's carry on. So we have x, all the markers are dried up. We have x squared minus 2x, okay, minus 3x plus 6. Okay, so let's just simplify things here. So we have x squared minus 2x, okay, 3x plus what? 6. This is how it's supposed to be. Okay, so let's just open the bracket and move. So we have x squared minus 2x minus 3x, okay, minus what? Plus 6. Okay, so this is supposed to be minus 6. Because once I open the bracket, this one will multiply inside there. It becomes what? Minus. Alright, so we have x out, and that x inside to get x squared minus what? 2 minus 3 out, so we have x minus what? 2, right? Yes. So this by that will still give us what? 6. Okay, so this one will have been plus here to reflect here. Alright, so when you multiply here, you're going to get this. When you multiply here, you're going to get that. Alright. So we now have our x minus 2, sorry, x minus 3 is equal to 0, x is equals to 3. And here to also have x minus 2 equal to 0. Okay, so x is equals to what? 2. Therefore, x is equals to 2 and x is equals to 3. This becomes the solution to this problem, as simple as that. Like I said earlier, you find the factors first and then you simplify it. This is just a brief problem that we have solved under quadratics. Thank you so much for watching.